In this video, I'm going to show you some of the administrative features of the Deeper Signals platform. Unlike other assessment solutions, the Deeper Signals platform is designed for modern leaders and coaches. It's designed to be simple, powerful, and easy to use so that you can deliver a seamless assessment experience. What you see on the screen right now is the administrative dashboard. And here we are able to access particular tools and features of this platform. So for example, if I go to the All Users section, I can see everyone that has created an account on the Deeper Signals platform. I can view their assessment results. I can filter based on different criteria, and I can add columns if I want to create custom views. Once someone has completed the assessment, I'm able to view their profile. So here I can see Herman's profile, when they were created, when they logged in. I can now access their reports. So here I can see a summary report of their core drivers. I can view the full feedback report, as well as a coaching report as well. I can share and download these with my colleagues too. And if I want to switch reports, I can do that just as easily as well. If I want to send invites, that is really simple. I can go to campaigns, I can create a new campaign, and then I can choose whether I'm looking to coach or develop an individual, or this is to recruit a candidate. Depending on your choice, you will have different options. For today, we'll just go through the coaching journey. I can give this campaign a name. So I'm going to call this my High Potential Program 2024. I can then choose which assessments from the Deeper Signals library that I would like an individual to complete. We have the core drivers, the core values. We have a variety of other diagnostics that we can attach to this campaign too. I can choose which reports I want to show to the individual. I can use tags to further organize and filter users across the entire platform, and then I hit complete. I can now go to my campaign and I can create invites by uploading a roster of email addresses, or I can create a link that I can share with my colleagues and candidates. If I would like to create a team report, that is super easy as well. So here I just go to New Team. I can upload a file, or I can create a team manually. I give my team a name. I can search for the manager, which is going to be me. I can now search my account for all the people that I would like to be included in this team. So I'm going to just find some users who I know have completed the assessment. I can now see the structure of my team. I can choose whether I want my team manager to see this report or keep it private for now. And I can also choose whether I want the team members to have access to this report. I hit complete, and I'm now taken to my report. We also have analytics dashboards, whereby we are able to visualize, compare, and contrast candidates, individuals, and teams across the assessments. We can also create custom dashboards that measure your talent frameworks and competency models. And by integrating with your HRIS, we can visualize additional performance data alongside the assessment results. Our platform is SOC 2 and GDPR compliant. We have the ability to integrate with HRIS and ATS systems. We offer SSO webhooks and the ability to create personalized and organization-specific admin roles for greater privacy, trust, and security.